Hi everyone, welcome to Aravilam. I'm Sabruddin. So in this video, we are going to learn. Okay, now we are going to calculate percentage. So here I have created a small table, and here we have our sales values, that is total sales. Okay, now I want to calculate percentage for this. So when it comes to percentage, we have to select the denominator. Okay, for example, if I want to calculate percentage for reps, or whether we want to calculate percentage for the items, or we want to calculate percentage for the grand total. So here we have to mention that, okay, that is a row total or a column total or the grand total. So here I'm going to take 4 copies so that I can show you all the outputs. Now here we have the default pivot table without any calculations. From here we are going to modify the pivot tables. Okay, so here to change the calculation, here we have value field settings. Go to value field settings, and here we have option called show value as. So here it is selected as no calculation. So here I'm going to calculate a percentage for the row total. So here we have percentage of row total. Click on it and click OK. Now you can see for each row it is calculating 100%. For example, for Bruce, he have sold 28% of jeans, 32.85% of pants, 22.5% of shirts, 16.5 of t-shirts. So this is how it will calculate the percentage. So this is one method. You can go to this value field settings and you can select this option. Or the second method is you can just right click on your pivot table. So here also we have option for percentage. So now I'm going to calculate percentage for column. For example, here as you can see, it shows percentage for each columns. For example, here out of this 1,02,405, 18.14 percentage is sold by Bruce and 22.47 by Clint. So this is how we will be calculating percentage for columns. And in the same way, right click on it, show values, grand total. So now you can see it is calculating percentage for grand total. So this is how we will be calculating percentage.